Today our topic is Betagenic. Betagenic comes in ointment and cream. These are the semi-solid dosage forms. The generic name of Betagenic is betamethasone dipropionate plus gentamicin is included. Therapeutic category is dermatologicals. Indication for the Betagenic ointment and cream is it is used for the treatment of redness, itching, soiling or other discomfort caused by skin conditions where bacterial infection is present or suspected. It is supplied as a cream and ointment. In cream and ointment, both pack comes in the gram, pack of 15 gram, and betamethasone dipropionate is included as 0.05% plus gentamicin added as 0.1%.